What's up, guys? This is part two to the 280Z getting the rear disc conversion. Um, the conversion I went with is from these guys. I actually read the reviews, great reviews, complete kit. I have a 280Z, so I also ordered my kit to come with the e-brake brackets, some steel braided lines. They gave me a cool keychain, bolts, and very detailed instructions on how to install it. I also bought the axle adapters because I'm changing from the stock 280Z axles to the 300ZX. But yeah, guys, so great product. The powder coat finish on these are amazing. Definitely recommend. Here we have to re-drill the 5 lug rotors to 4. You have to line these up. They provide a template where you line these up. Usually what I do is I'll stick a bolt through there just so I can know, and then mark, which is 1, 2, and I guess 3, 4. Old lug nuts. This way everything lines up. I'm gonna get one more here. This way we can mark everything, as you see. And then we just have to do 1 hole, 2 hole, 3. And we'll reuse this one. Taking some engine primer that can hold 500 degrees. I'm throwing a little bit of primer on the rotor so it doesn't rust, or I'm gonna flip them and get the inside. This way they can hold off like this till it's time to install. I bought this paint, POR 15 yellow paint. As you see, I'm painting the calipers, getting ready to install. This paint is actually good. It's just very thick, and you need to do a lot of light coats. In this step, after you removed the shoes, the drum, you have to come and remove these 4 bolts, which is for the back plate. So I'm gonna start getting this done. I'm changing my axle, so I have to remove my axles as well and disconnect my brand new E cable. As you can see, I have to disconnect that. Okay, so with the hacksaw, a lot of cutting, I finally got it out. So now I'm gonna remove my brake line a little later, so I don't want it to leak everything out. I gotta go get the brackets, clean that up, and install the calipers. After you remove the rear dust shield, you have to remove this little bracket that holds your brake line. I don't think there's no way it fits with this on. Let's see. Because this goes like something like this, if I'm correct. Something like this. While I'm here, guys, I'm also replacing my studs. As you can see, extended. This way so you guys can see. It won't touch your axle. Your axle is pretty good. I stopped today because I need to find out how to connect the actual e-brake. But I know that everything here is correct, and they provide you the line from here, from the body. You connect it all the way to the Mustang caliper. You no longer use your stock one, which I have still braided, but I'm gonna save these, you never know. But they provide you, and the other side, for some reason, I couldn't get this out. It was extremely hard, so I had to cut it, and I tried to tap it. I'm already tired, and I see that it's leaking. Let's see if we can catch that down here. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Yeah, it's leaking brake fluid. So tomorrow I'll get on it, fix that, and hopefully I'll be up and running. I had to make these two lines brand new, and I'm finally installing the emergency brake. I got the driver's side done. I had to re-bleed everything from the master cylinder. I guess I had air bubbles over there, but yep, now they stop. Everything's good. I'm just working on the e-brake, and I should be done. So, okay, guys. I got don't mind the plastic, there's a leak. I don't want it to leak on my car. So yes, I got the calipers installed, e-brake installed. Everything is running as it should. Overall, it took me about, I would say about like 2.5 days. Give or take, I had to stop. I was watching the NFL championship and all that, but overall, the installation wasn't that hard, but you do need 2 people. These cars are very, very sensitive, and the brake bleeding process is tedious. So you have to bleed it out the master cylinder. Mine have 2 bleeder screws for the front and the back. You have to make sure there's no bubbles there before you even go to the back. And I know that they say that usually you're supposed to start from the furthest wheel from the master cylinder, which you would think it's the rear passenger, but the T from the brake line is actually by the rear passenger. So you have to go and start here first, then there to the rear passenger, then the front passenger side, and finish here. You must do it in that order. And yeah, you're gonna need a lot of brake fluid. But yeah, guys, I would say, you know, it's worth it. My car definitely does feel better. I feel like it stops a lot better than the old drum system, which it's no good now because I had to cut it. But yeah, guys, please like, share, subscribe, question. You can always ask me any questions. I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. But yeah, and I have a few more updates about the Roadster that I've been ordering a lot of parts. I'm kind of just stacking the parts up so I can get that going. But yeah, guys, thank you.